Casey, do you love Daddy more than Mommy?
Yeah. Cece, is Mommy your favorite parent?
Cece, do you love Daddy more than Mommy? No? Cece, are you excited to see Parka? Cece, are you excited to see Parka?
Cece, are you excited to go to Minnesota?
She's pumped.
Cece, are you proud to be born in Hawaii? Cece, are you a chimera?
No, Dad.
Cece, is pink your favorite color?
Cece, what are you looking at?
Cece, is pink your favorite color? Is your favorite show Teen Mom?
She likes when you shake your head. She starts laughing.
Is your favorite show Teen Mom? No?
Can you say goodbye, Cece? Say bye.